can make some money by just talking about products or services you've used in the past. Now, even if you've not used any of this product, you can also make money off of it, and I'm going to show you how to do that on this video. First, you're going to go to this website called Capterra. Once you've come to this website, you click sign up, and you can sign up with your Google account or with your LinkedIn account. Anyone you see, you can sign up with it. And if you're signing up with your Google, you click here. If you sign up with LinkedIn account, you click here. Once you're done signing up, this is how your dashboard is going to look. You can take this quiz if you want. So to get started, you click write a review. Now let me tell you a little bit more about this website. This is a place where you get to review products and services from different companies, and then they get to pay you about your honest review about their company. But to be able to get your review approved, you have to make sure you have a LinkedIn account, because they will have to verify to know if you're a robot or not. So you can see a lot of companies here that are looking for people to review their products and services. Now, depending on what you have chosen, I advise that you look for something that is in line with what your LinkedIn profile is talking about, so that you have the chance of having your review accepted. So assuming we are going to be going by PayPal, PayPal is popular, almost everybody uses PayPal. So now I've clicked on PayPal. What I'm going to do now is to insert this, like put my name, last name, and all those stuff. So once you're done, you should be able to say that how long you have used this particular PayPal should be like 1 year, because if you see a lot of categories here, you can say, let's say 2 years plus, how frequent you can use daily, so that they know that you actually use this particular service. So you say I am a user, or anyone that you fall in these categories that you can see here. Once you're done, you click next. So you can see other options here. So you can put all this written. So here you can put all this and write anything you want to write. Payment process, I can say payment process is very fast. So here you can say if it's inexpensive or mid-tier or expensive. So I can just put here it's inexpensive. Would you likely recommend to your friend or a colleague? Very likely. You click next. So here is where the problem comes for a lot of people. Now, if you've not used PayPal before, or you don't know how to start writing review or what to say about review, so what you're going to do is you go to Google PayPal review. So once you have seen this, you're going to see a lot of review from people about PayPal. So you click here. Now you've seen other people's review. That is for people that have not used PayPal. If you've used PayPal, you can write anything by yourself. But if you've not used PayPal and you want to review it, you can look at what people are saying about PayPal and their experiences after using PayPal. Now with this, you can copy any of this and probably rewrite it using an AI bot, or you can write it by yourself, like use your own words after reading all the reviews that they have given about PayPal. So assuming you want to rewrite this particular one, this one says this becomes a problem when you need money quickly. IPN and PayPal are unstable. This is going to come for the cons, because they have their pros and their cons. So if you want to write about the pros, you can say this one that says the PayPal program is very wonderful. The ease in disposing and withdrawing is very distinguished. You can copy this if you're writing about the pros. Please, before I continue with this video, just take a time out to like and subscribe to my channel. We really want to learn other ways to make money online. Also, don't fail to tell me about your experience if you've used Capterra before. Use this AI bot called Quillbot. So you can paste it here. That's pasted, then you click paraphrase. So it has paraphrased the what we got here, and then what we will do is we can just copy it and go back to Capterra, click here and paste it here as one of the pros. So if you have the cons, that's the negative things people are saying about PayPal, that you think maybe 2 or 3 people or more than 2 or 3 people have said something similar, you can copy that. You don't just go about copying anything at all that you see people talk. So once you have copied, you paste it here. You note that you have to put the title, review, and everything. Once you're done writing, you answer these questions and then you click here, then you submit just like that. So once you have submitted, it's going to bring out this for you to, for them to know that you are not a robot. You can click the motorcycles here. Once it's done verifying, you see it says thank you for submitting your review. They can potentially pay you $10 to $20 depending every day. Since this is 5 minutes, you can take like an hour to review like 10 products or even more, depending on how fast you are. And once they get approved, you can make like $100 in a day just reviewing products you have used. So this is a very great way of making money on the side. If you want to learn about the secret side hustle where you just sell templates that you created, and even if you don't have any creation skill, you can actually do this. Kindly check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.